Very interesting topic I have mentioned here. Facebook. Most of us use Facebook, and Facebook is the best. Facebook is the worst. So Facebook has turned into the broadest and the fastest platform of information dissemination. When you use Facebook, you find some information very much fastest of all. Even if you listen to BBC, watch BBC television, you'll find that the information has come from Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Facebook profiles. That's why I say Facebook has turned into the fastest platform, and it also gives a lot of information broadest in that sense. So if you use Facebook in a way that may give you a lot of benefit, there's a huge benefit you can get from using Facebook. On the other hand, the information is the riskiest because Facebook is not verified. Anyone can write anything. If somebody hasn't died, someone may write that somebody has died. So a lot of misinformation, confusing information, a lot of problems are there. So Facebook users are in the riskiest place because Facebook is the broadest, at the same time fastest platform, but at the same time the information is the riskiest. So if you think something is not right, be careful, be very much cautious. So when you use Facebook, you have to proceed with caution, you have to proceed with judiciousness. If you are not judicious, if you are not cautious, then there may be a lot of misinformation you are getting. So Facebook is the riskiest platform. There you can get a huge benefit if you use it cautiously, if you use it judiciously. And on the other hand, if you do not take cautious, if you do not get judicious, then the thing is that this riskiest platform can damage a lot of things. So what happens? Somebody hasn't died, but Facebook users sometimes write that somebody has died. Some people give very bad information, unimportant information, juxtaposed information, irrelevant information, misinformation, cheating, and all these things. So once again I say that Facebook has turned into the broadest and the fastest platform of information dissemination. All that use Facebook should be advised to open Facebook with caution, with judiciousness, in order to get a huge benefit out of the riskiest task. The task is using Facebook. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.